Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms in this video, we will be focusing on simplifying the expression x squared minus 81 divided by x minus 9. This process involves identifying any common factors in the numerator and denominator, and then dividing both by the greatest common factor. Stay tuned as we walk through each step in detail. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify the numerator and the denominator of the given rational expression. Here, the numerator is x squared minus 81, and the denominator is x minus 9. To simplify the expression, start by factoring the numerator. Notice that x squared minus 81 is a difference of squares, which can be factored into the product of two binomials. In other words, x squared minus 81 equals x plus 9 times x minus 9. So, rewrite the rational expression with the factored form of the numerator over the denominator. The expression now becomes x plus 9 times x minus 9, all over x minus 9. Step 2. Observe how the rational expression has been altered to x plus 9 times x minus 9 all over x minus 9. To further simplify, notice that x minus 9 appears in both the numerator and the denominator. Since both terms are common factors, they can be cancelled out, leaving x plus 9. This is the final step, and the simplified form of the rational expression is x plus 9.